this is Dr. Nikki, and today I want to talk about students looking at the equality sign. Remember that the research says that when students look at that equality sign, they should say is the same as. So 5 plus 5 is the same as 10. And I want to talk about centers and workstations that you can set up that make it fun and engaging. In the Common Core, it is, I think, 10A7. If you're not doing the core, it's just going to be in your addition and subtraction standards. Kids need to understand that equality sign, and they need to see it in lots of different ways with lots of different numbers on either side of the equation. So with that, we're going to get started. All right, so this is a true or false game, and the kids they have cards, and they look at the cards. And so they say, okay, 6 plus 6 is 3 plus 3 plus 6, that's true. 5 plus 5 is 2 plus 8, that's true. 8 plus 1 is 9, that's true. And they're just sorting. 7 plus 7 is 15, that's false. 9 plus 1 is 10, that's true. 9 plus 2 is 12, that's false. 5 plus 4 equals 4 plus 5, that's true. And 8 plus 8 is 16, that's false. And then they turn it over, and when they turn it over, they see the answer, true or false. And so it's self-correcting. Remember, you want your centers to be self-correcting. Another thing I want you to notice about the center is that I work with the properties, associative and commutative, so that the kids, I'm infusing that, right? That they're reinforced in their properties. That 5 plus 4 is 4 plus 5. And so you want to do things like that with the kids. You want to infuse as much as you can in the center, reinforcing things that they've already learned. So true or false center is a great center for kids, and you can also have them record the equations in their journal. I wouldn't always have them do that. There is a level of trust that comes with this, right? Because people are always wondering, well, what are my kids doing in the workstation, and how do I have proof? You should have artifacts. You could have the kids write down a couple of true and a couple of false that they found. You could also sometimes have the kids glue this down, and that's their artifact. Other times, this stuff is just laminated, and it's just in a bag in a center, and it's differentiated because you use different number ranges for different level learners. Now, I'm going to tell you another game to use with kids. There's this one. And on this one, the kids are working with, is it true or is it false? But they look, 5 plus 1 is 6, and they circle true. 2 plus 4 is 6, and they circle true. 3 plus 6 is 8, and they circle false. And so they do that. And again, you would want to level it, and leveling it is not that hard. You level it by having a different range of number. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you have some new ideas. And as always, happy mathing, Dr. Nikki.